Hey guys, my name is Witchy Cupcake and welcome to the Cupcake Coven. Today we are going to be talking about what a Discord server is and why you might want to try it out. A Discord server is basically a conglomerate of chat rooms that one can create for their community. I would compare it somewhat to maybe an MSN Messenger or an AOL from back in the day. But it is a more modern and efficient concept in my opinion. People can create different categories, and within those categories, different chat rooms. For instance, someone may create a chat room to discuss video games, another one to discuss music, another one to discuss movies, and all sorts of different kinds of hobbies. Having different chat rooms for different interests or subjects is also a really good idea because then you won't have to look through a long thread of conversations to find what you're looking for. You can identify a chat room by the hashtag symbol it has next to it. And just like any kind of traditional chat room, you can type in a message. For example, this would be a regular text that you can send. However, let's say I want to get a specific person's attention. I can actually put the @ symbol and then choose the person I want to talk to, in this case the Muffin Wizard. That means that if they have notifications turned on for @ mentions, they will receive a notification for this message, so they might see my message faster. You can also attach files by clicking on this plus next to the message box. Just select the file you would like to attach. It says that you can add an optional comment. Let me just add a smiley face. If you wanted to black out the picture, you could mark it as a spoiler, but we're not going to do that right now. We're just going to upload this image. And there you go. If you want to make it bigger, you can always click on it and you will see it full size. Below the chat box, you can actually see when other people are typing. Then, if you hover over the message, these icons over here will appear, meaning that you can add a reaction, which is an emoji that you can choose. You can reply to that person's message, and there are a few more options. You can pin the message to the top of the chat room. Usually people prefer if moderators or administrators do that, but it might be open for everyone. This is the same reply option. You can mark as unread. You can copy the message link. You can send a speak message, which is when you record yourself for a small period of time. And also you could delete the message. In this case, I have this ability to delete other people's message because I am the owner of the server. However, as a regular user, you normally can't delete other people's messages, but you can delete your own if necessary. Now, what I would like to do here is first add a reaction. Let's add a laughing face here, and then say that this was a very long thread and there were multiple people talking. Sometimes it's useful to use the reply feature. You can do so by clicking on that arrow. And then you can see that it shows a tiny summary of the message you're replying to, followed by your answer. In addition, you can always add some other things down here. You can add regular emojis. You can also add GIFs. For example, you could add a kind of funny catnap image like that. On a PC, when you hover over GIFs, you can see them in movement, and when you take your mouse off of it, it stops. Discords also have the option for voice channels, which is basically just a way to do a conference call with whoever enters that room. Now you do have to be careful because when you click on a voice channel, you might automatically join that room and people might be hearing what you're saying through your microphone if you have, of course, connected your microphone to it and enabled it. Voice channels can be identified by the little speaker icon next to the channel name. When you click on a voice channel, you join the voice channel room, and therefore your profile picture and your username will appear. As you can see right now, my microphone is muted. When I hover over it, it says muted. And down here, you can see that you are connected to the chat room. Now, many voice rooms like this one have a matching text room. This is the one that we're in right here that you guys can see here. Because there are many times that people either don't have access to a microphone or maybe can't use a microphone for whatever reason, and therefore it's good to have an accompanying text room. If people want to share pictures or links or anything related to the voice conversation, they can share it in this room. For example, let me add the Muffin Wizard and tell him to join the voice chat. When he joins, you will see his name appear here. There you go. Now I am still muted, so I need to come down here and unmute myself. Hey, Muffin Wizard!
Hi, Witchy Cupcake. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm doing well.
As you guys can see, when we speak, our profile picture and username lights up, and that is how you can know that your microphone is working and that the other person can hear you. When you are done with your conference call, you can just come down here and disconnect the call. Don't forget to come down to this area and mute your mic. Discord is very popular among Twitch streamers and also among YouTubers because it is a way to interact with your community in a more close-knit way. Discord also has the options to set notifications for different chat rooms. So say you are interested in the announcements chat room, you could go on in and select to turn on your notifications just for that chat room. So whenever someone says something in there, you will receive a notification on your phone or your desktop. You can also be more specific with your notifications and choose only app mentions. That means that you will only receive a notification when someone does @everyone for important announcements or @here for anything important in that specific chat room, or even someone @ your name because they're trying to contact you directly. As with any platform, usually Discord servers have rules, so make sure to read through the community guidelines before you start talking to make sure that you are following the rules for that specific community. Through Discord, you can also DM people through private messages. It all depends on your settings and that person's settings if that person has DMs open. You can add people as friends, and you can also set your status to online, idle, do not disturb, or invisible. The reason why a lot of Twitch streamers specifically use the Discord app is because of notifications, as sometimes Twitch notifications don't go out in a timely manner, and Discord is usually a bit more reliable in that sense. So that is a reason why you might want to join someone's Discord server. Some people might have their Discord servers open to everybody, and other people might have it more with private settings, so you can only join if you're sent an invite from that person. It really depends on the creator. Another reason why a Discord server is a great resource for Twitch streamers is because a live stream only goes on for a limited amount of time, whether it's an hour, 4 hours, 8 hours, depending on the person, but there are many hours of the day that the streamer is not live. Therefore, if they want to make an announcement, a change of schedule, or they just want to reach out to a community member, it is very difficult to do it through the Twitch platform, and therefore Discord would be a more direct and easy way to do so. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys and you learned some new things about Discord, and I will make more specific videos about this subject in the future. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel for free by clicking the red subscribe button down below. You can leave a comment or even share this video if you think it's worth sharing with other people. Maybe it might help them as well. And you can also check me out on Twitch. You can find me at twitch.tv/witchy_cupcake. I do a variety of content over there, so come hang out with me sometime. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!